Hello viewers, happy to see you again. Hope you are doing good. I think probably I'm meeting after a long gap. So today, something interesting you are going to learn, especially for teachers, or if you are working from home and if you need to communicate with others, I think this platform would help you a lot. Before learning something new today, I request if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and share this video to your fellow friends. Come, let us learn something new today. And this platform, today we are going to talk something about an alternate to Google Meet as well as Zoom. I think probably you may be very curious to know something that would help you a lot to communicate with people, especially we people know teachers are organizing webinars nowadays. Especially you will be receiving n number of requests, n number of applications, n number of Google forms to ask you to register for the webinar, and we always have the problem. The problem is how to organize a webinar. What is the perfect platform? We always think about Google Meet. In Google Meet, you cannot accommodate more than 250 participants or 150 participants. And if you go for Zoom, you need to purchase, and there is another problem for the people, those who are taking a lot of effort in organizing webinars. So what is a perfect alternate? If you find out, that is all about we are going to discuss today, and we are going to learn. This is going to be a perfect alternate for Zoom as well as for Google Meet. I think probably you would like this very much, and that is StreamYard. So this is a website. This offers a very good platform for hosting webinar. So without even spending a penny, you could organize a webinar, a successful webinar. Sir, do I need to pay? Absolutely, the pricing is there. And if you are going to organize 1 or 2 webinars, maximum of 3 webinars, or even you could conduct 5 webinars for free of cost. Yes, absolutely, it is free of cost, and you can accommodate as much as possible, and you can have a live relay on YouTube, Facebook, and even in Instagram. Even in Facebook, you can, if you have pages, if you have groups separately, you can have a live telecast over there. And if you are having YouTube, through YouTube you can have a maximum number of participants. So it offers a wonderful platform for the teachers, especially for business personalities. And for registering this, it requires your account, that is Gmail or any mail that you have to go and click this get started, and it will be asking you to log in. So if you are new to this, you have to provide your name, your email address, all those information. So I already have an account, so I'm just going straight away and I'm going to log in with this. So with this yes, so do I need to? This is something special with this platform. Once after giving, you need not to remember any password. Automatically they will be sending a password to your registered email, and from that mail you have to check, and you have to type the number here. So this is the number I have received now, so I'm just copying the number and I'm just going to paste it over here. Yes, now log in. So this is very simple, you need not to give any password. So it's good, okay. And this is the interface that you will be getting, and here you are going to broadcast, and this is about which you have already broadcasted. So I have already made a demo, so that is over here. So that is a 3-minute demo. So 20 hours, okay. So you can use the StreamYard, you can make use of StreamYard totally for 20 hours for free of cost. If you are exceeding 20 hours, for the 20 hours plus 1 minute, you have to pay, you have to purchase, okay. So there is an upgrade So if you go for an upgrade, they are having, see here you are having 0, which 6 on screen participants. So you will be having 6 people over there for hosting, and you can have streams. Okay, so live streaming in YouTube or Facebook or in LinkedIn, and there are various platforms they are offering, so in which you can go for live stream. Okay, so this is how they offer. This is the current plan, and if you wish to have more people, and you can choose either the basic plan or professional plan. That is for monthly basis they are offering, for yearly basis they are offering. So you have to choose and you have to pay accordingly. So you can, so for this is monthly for $25, and for professional $49. So on the basis you can choose if you wish to continue, or if you wish to organize, or if you wish to host more webinars. Okay, and this is very, very, very simple. So I need to, so before starting this, let me tell you, you should have a YouTube channel. If you don't have a YouTube channel, please do create a day before. Okay, so if your channel is not authenticated, then it is a very big mess, because it takes hardly 24 hours. If you have created your channel just now, it takes hardly 24 hours to activate. So make sure that you create a channel well in advance and then keep it ready. And if you don't have channel, it is okay, fine. You can have any one of these. So you can have a live streaming in Facebook or Facebook group or Facebook profile, which means you in your own profile you can telecast, as like even in LinkedIn and YouTube channel you have Periscope, you have Twitch, you have, as like you can telecast in whichever platform that you like or you are comfortable with. So now today I'm going to show you, this is my channel. In my channel I'm going to telecast to you something simple. So what we are going to do is a demo. So, and it will be asking you whether it is going to be telecasted publicly or unlisted or private. So for making demo, I'm making this private. And if you are going to have a live telecast, if your webinar is going to be online on air, you have to choose public so that it becomes visible for others. If you choose any two category below to public, then it won't be visible. So make sure that you go for public instead of selecting unlisted or private. So for my convenient, I am using this schedule for later. So I am just choosing this schedule for later, and it will be asking you to thumbline, and then this is how you have to start first. So let me choose today, and it's tomorrow. For make it simple, tomorrow by what time, it's let it be as it is, create broadcast. So when I go for creating broadcast, it automatically it is scheduled. Okay, so now you are going to enter the broadcast studio. So now I'm entering the broadcast studio. So if you are giving time, the buffering time for this is 30 seconds. Okay, so the live relay, if I'm talking now and it takes 30 seconds, with the 30 seconds delay, it will be telecasted in the YouTube. So make sure that you understand the concept behind. So now I am allowing, and then I'm just going. You see, this is how it looks like. So now display name, in what name you would like to go. So for example, webinar. Okay, so what is the title of the webinar? You can give the title over here and you can start broadcasting. So now we are going, this is the interface, the perfect interface that you are going to see. So this is how it looks like, a perfect way of organizing. Now I have activated. So I am talking and I am the host now. So I can have hardly 6 hosts. Okay, so I can accommodate 6 people inside, and this is how we are going to ask, like you can share your screen, and you can turn on your camera, you can control others' mic, and if I am the host, I can go. Okay, so here there is a button, so go live. When you click this button, automatically it will start telecasting in the YouTube. Okay, so now we have scheduled, we have scheduled tomorrow, so I'm not going to go live today. So I'm just going to show you how this interface works exactly. And if I click this, so I can have two people over here, so simultaneously the speaker, the host can appear, and you will have their personally you can visualize them, and if you click this, they will be having interaction with both. And likewise, you have a lot of interfaces. If I click this, you will be seeing only the presentation, not any human. Okay, so by being a host, you can do all those things. And here they have given a lot of options for you, a perfect option. See, they have given banner. So now the banner, for example, what is this banner? So if I am clicking this show, see here there is running a message. So you can have a running message as like this, and if you want to hide, just hide. So now I am just going to create one more, so that is, sorry, webinar on how to host. See, now I'm just going to make it, either it is going to be a scroll, and it is going to be, I'm making this scroll, and I'm sorry, webinar on how to host. Okay, so now I'm just making this yes, add banner. So now I'm adding banner, and when I'm clicking this show, see, it automatically runs. So if I'm going to give something, if I don't like this, I can stop, hide, and then I could delete that. So you can have n number of banners. So when speaker is speaking, when the speaker is presenting his ideas, you can type his name and designation, such information, and you can have your own webinar title over here. You can make it scroll, and you can ask the participants to mute their mic. Likewise, such information can be given. That is the banner over here. And a comment section, so from here you could comment. So it can be viewed in YouTube or any platform that you choose. So this is that, and they have given, see, you can change the color. I mean to say here, in the background of webinar background, it's a black color, so you could change accordingly. Such options they are giving. And this is the private chat, which means, we are going to have some of 6 or 7 hosts, 6 host maximum you could allow. So between the host, you can have your own messages. So if the participant is asking some message or any question, you can share so that the presenter can view it. It won't be available for the viewers or the participants. Okay, so it is between only 6, not with anyone, or the 4, which whatever the count that you are going to accommodate at the host. And here they are giving a setting. So you can have your own camera, and you can set your microphone, the level, everything that you could check. And the green screen, if you have, you can have some other animations as like, and guest. Okay, you can create a waiting hall for them as like they are giving some provisions. And this is how it works. It is very, very, very simple strategy and a simple platform for you. If you are hosting, I think I strongly recommend you to choose a StreamYard. Instead of wasting money, you can have a lot of benefits even. So it is very simple, user friendly, and just with a click you will go live. Okay, so perfect designed, and I think probably this would help teachers and the people, those who are striving very badly. And this watermark will be always there. And if you go for purchasing, I think you might have noticed over here, brand here. So see here, the logo will be here, and if you wish to have your own logo over here, you need to upgrade. Okay, so if I'm asking, see, customize your logo, you need to upgrade. So unfortunately, you cannot remove this watermark if you are going to use only the free source or users. And if you upgrade, automatically you could remove, and you can have your own idea. So you can have yours as like, it is restricting us very badly. And apart from this, we have a lot of benefits. I think probably this would help you a lot. And with this you can do wonders. 20 hours. So if you calculate 1.5 hours webinar, if you are hosting 1.5 hours webinar, you will be spending 2 hours, 30 minutes before you will log in, and this would help you a lot. If you even you can have 10 to 15 webinars at a stretch with one username. I think you have learned something new today. If you have any doubts, please do